Anybody watching this video, you know that these Toyota Tundras, they last forever and are very difficult to sell. If you got an old Tundra and you're trying to sell it and you know the value of it. So people see the mileage on it, just like this vehicle. It's a 2007. It's got 282,000 miles. And I know this vehicle, I probably could get another 280 something thousand miles, no problem. Never had any problems, major problems with this vehicle. The only problem I had was the AC unit. I had to get it repaired. As far as the motor and all this other stuff, man, it never breaks. It'll wear out before it breaks. As you look in the inside, the seats and all this other stuff, I have to replace that before I replace anything else. If I look at this vehicle, I'm gonna show you the mileage. You see right there? This vehicle, I can drive it 2,000 miles, just stop and get gas. It'll have no problem. And I have another Tundra also. And the reason why I bought this other Tundra is because I needed a four-wheel drive on the pipeline. And if you're going doing gas and oil pipelines, you're gonna have to have a four-wheel drive. If I didn't need a four-wheel drive, or if this vehicle right here was four-wheel drive, I would never have bought that other Tundra, because these Tundras last forever. And if you're looking at the news and you notice that in the desert and you see these Taliban people and all these other people, you notice what vehicles they're driving.
They're so durable. Their goal is to last for 30 years in a third world.
They're driving Toyotas. Why? Because of the rough terrain, and these vehicles never break down. They never break down. I haven't had no problem of this vehicle breaking down. The only problem, that major problem that I had, somebody stole my catalytic converter. And we can't break the Tundra, so they still in the converters. You see right there, I put one of those anti-theft bars on there, plates on there, and that cost me about $1,500 to $2,000. I took it to Toyota and had one put on there, because that catalytic converter, once it got stolen, that cost me $1,500 to get it replaced. So you can't break a Tundra, so they just start stealing stuff off of them. I would like to read some comments of people who got Tundras out there and what you think about them. Do they last? I think these things will last 30 years. It probably outlast me. But like I said, I wouldn't have got that Tundra right there. That's a 2020 4x4. And this was a 4x4. It's an off-road, but it's not a 4x4. So I got two vehicles that I would never be able to get rid of, because they're not gonna break. You know, people with Fords and Chevys and stuff gonna disagree and say that their vehicles are better than these Toyotas. You don't see no other vehicles sitting in my driveway, no other trucks. The only thing you see is Tundras, because I know they're gonna last. I don't even hardly have a mechanic for these. But anyway, I would like to read some of your comments, and you guys tell me what you think about these Toyota Tundras.